People, welcome back to the channel. This is Bird Beak, and this is just a follow-up to the video that I just posted not too long ago about Kelsey Ferrigon, the 9-year-old girl that was brutally raped and killed in Lled, St. Catherine in Spanish Town. Now, this is a photo of the alleged perpetrator known as Coolie Man, a 39-year-old that raped and killed a 9-year-old. Now, people, let's dive into this video. People, I want you to take a good look on the screen. Just take a good look. This is a bumbo hole named Coolie Man. Him take the life of this innocent child. Look how she innocent. Look how she innocent. This girl don't do him nothing. This man look upon this little girl and decides him go pray upon her. Pray upon her in the most vicious way. People, I not even have words for put this into people. Like, I don't know what to say right now because there is nothing to be said. The only thing that should be happening right now is action. People, when have him picture, when be on the lookout, when start look for him, even if you actively hunt him, walk down the place, march down the places, left no stone unturned, go into the bushes, chop down every tree if you must. But this man has to be found, and this man has to be put to justice. Coolie Man, why you do it? Why you do it, Coolie Man? You're 39, you're almost 40. What the fuck you sip on a 9-year-old pitney, brother? Coolie Man, what the fuck? What the fuck wrong with you, Coolie Man? I say, I open them hole AC, man. A gunshot too good for you. May I tell you this, gunshot too good for you. When them hole you, not even the grace of God not supposed to save you from what's coming. May I tell you, Coolie Man, you see when them hole you, I hope them do every fucking thing to you before them kill you. You don't need to cut off this man's balls. You don't need to pour boiling oil down in his ears. You don't need to bathe this man in a boiling water. You don't need to do the wickedest type of thing to this man because he do the wickedest type of thing to the little girl. People, I kind of get emotional right now, so I'm just try to tone on the video. But still, this man is responsible for one of the most heinous things I've heard since this year started. And that's coming from me, Bird Beak, who is always on the internet seeing the most vile and vicious people. And I can't believe this. Few days ago, I drop a video said 2025 are going to be the best year in Jamaica. I have to take it back. Yes, it might be the best year with the lowest murder rate, but when shit like this happen, it can't be the best year. This can't be the best year. This man must be killed. This man is a fucking lunatic. This man should not be allowed to breathe the same air as we do. This man is a waste of human life. This man needs to be put to justice. People, want to tell me what you think about this in the comment section below, you know, man. I want to have a conversation with somebody about this because which part am I there? Right now, I'm not there in the island, you see me? So which part am I there? I can't really talk to nobody about this because them not really understand how this really affect our country. So people, I want to hear your thoughts on this down in the comment section below because this a bumbo hole and I'll get to with it. Him can't get to with it. We have a file, you know, brother. We see a picture, you know, we know where you come from, you know. And you see if we can't hold you, and your family them, we are going to hold until them find you, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, you not get to with this. So you and everybody else who involved, if I know you alone, everybody else who involved, I will get it. We not get it in the wickedest way. Me, I promise you that, Coolie Man. Look on the bumbo hole smug look to no man. Look on him face. Look on that bumbo clad face here. Look on little innocent girl, my lad. Why you have to do it? Why you have to look on a little child and do them thing there? People, boy, I don't know what to say, man. You just do enough for the man. When you find him, you deem the wickedest type of way you can think of. Spare no expense. Police, me I beg you no. Yes, when the people them kill this man, don't charge them with a murder. Don't charge them with nothing. Yes, when the people them kill this man, rule it as a suicide. Because what him do, him done mark himself for death. Him done mark himself for death. All if a 30 gunshot him get in him back is a suicide. If him head chop off, him chop off him own head. Anything will reach this man is of his own doing. This man should not be allowed to be breathing 1 second more. And every second that this man is breathing is oxygen that could have been going to someone that was more productive and better off the society. This man has no morals. This man has no virtues. This man has nothing. This man is nothing but destruction and corruption. We are going to burn a fire upon him. Literally. We want to gas him and light him. Lynch him. Dismemberment. People, me is one person who is against these acts of barbarism. Me is one person who is against the cruelty. But there's a time and place for everything, and nothing exists without a purpose. Now is the time for you to use up the purpose. Now is the time for you to kill somebody. If you always want to kill somebody before, kill him. I don't really agree with Cartel for enough things, but Cartel say if you want to kill a man, kill a raper. See him there? See him there? All of the killy them, all of the gunman them where they that kill off people. See who if you turn the gun to, yeah? See him, yeah? Yeah, man, see him, yeah? This is somebody who actually deserve it. This man not allowed to live. This man should not be allowed to live. Every second pass is a second more oxygen this man take up or him shouldn't take up. This man is not supposed to be breathing the same air as you and I. This man should be put to death immediately. Jano people, that's it for the video, you know. I keep you updated on this situation, but I just eat that for now. Right now, I just eat that. Bird Nation, stay sharp.